Hello, I'm Lady Liz Gamer, and if you are a digital art noob like me, I'm not the best at it. I like to do my hand drawing still. I'm going to show you how you could take a hand drawing like this of your own and turn it into a emote that you could use on your Twitch channel using Canva. Stick around and I'll show you how. So before we get started, I'm going to ask you to subscribe and click that bell for notifications, or I'll be forced to sing.
And my voice is horrible.
So open up your Twitch account, and I usually open up a logo and resize it. That way, in case you can't find the Twitch emote, you could always just go and resize it after. If it's not listed, type it in, it'll bring it up for you. So one more time, click resize, make sure it's a Twitch emote. Switch it around, whatever you have to do to make it the right angle that you need it for your emote. And then you're going to click on edit image and background remover. Takes a few minutes. So this is normal. If it takes this long, just wait it out and it'll fix itself eventually. And then you have a PNG clear, background. And this happens too. Okay, so if this happens, don't worry about it. You might have to just start over. So click back, undo changes, and remove background again. So now you have your background removed, and you could stretch out your picture to the size you want it. Remember to keep everything in the perimeters of this file size of the background canvas. Once you get it to the desired size, you're going to want to go into edit image. And here's where you want to change the contrast and the saturation. You want to make sure it has high contrast and high saturation so it shows. I would go to adjust all and go into blur and lower the blur too. You want to get the image as clear as possible so it shows up when it's a tiny little emoji. To show you over, click on adjust all. And just adjust the blur a little bit. Make sure the contrast and saturation is really high. See? In the tint, if you play with it a little, that happens. Okay, just back up and do it over. Once you get it to the desired color you want, and that's what you want it to look like in your emote, then you're going to hit share. Okay. And you're going to hit download. Make sure it's transparent, PNG, and save it to your computer. Then you could open up your Twitch account and make sure you go to your affiliate and click on emotes so you can add it to your channel. I'm going to go ahead and remove one of these for now to show you. I'll take out the paw print for now. So then you could click on upload emote. Once you click on it, it should load in here fairly easily. Since you did it in Canva, it's the right size, so there's no playing with it in Photoshop or any of your other platforms. It's perfectly sized for you to load right into here. Name it. I'm naming this one Willow 1, 2. And let's save it and see what happens. As you see here, I can go ahead and click on my channel, and there is Willow ready to use. So back to Canva to try a picture from my Sims game. This is my 100 baby mama, and we're honoring her because we're almost done with her. This was taken from a picture that I took of her in my Sims game in Cass. I'll show you real quick which picture I started with and follow the steps that I told you before. We could do this again with another picture I took of a Bowie themed werewolf I did for the werewolf pack. There he is. I clicked on it, stretched it out so it fits the canvas, or however you want to do it. You could change the background first. So you click on Edit, Background Remover, and there you have it again. Background's completely removed. Stretch him out till he fits exactly how you want him to appear in your emote. Same thing, go to Adjust All, click on the blur, adjust the blur, saturation, contrast. I played with the brightness a little bit so it's a little more colorful, but you get the idea. Adjust it however you want to so it looks like the way you want it. Then download, transparent, and save it to your device. Then you're going to go back and follow the steps you did before in your Twitch account. I'm removing a slot, adding the image of this werewolf in my computer files to my Twitch account. And it shows up there. See, it fits perfectly. No need to resize it or play with it any further than that. Then we named him and went to chat, and there's the Bowie wolf ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this and this really helped you. I have a learning disability, so instructional videos that have spoken instructions really help me out a lot. I do my own scenes for my Twitch stream with this, are starting soon, and YouTube thumbnails using Canva, and it's a lot of fun. I also am an artist, and I do art videos sometimes on YouTube, and I'm gonna be starting my second art channel. Here's a t-shirt that's on Etsy, which I'll link below, a piece of art that's on Etsy, and another t-shirt about me being grumpy when I don't have caffeine. So I hope you enjoyed this. I had a good time making it. And if there's anything else you would like to see like this, please comment below, or any art challenges you would like me to try out. So thank you for watching. Have a good one, everybody. I love ya. Hugs.